Here we have a 2011 Bayliner 197 deck boat. Red and white. Does have a tower on it, bimini top, full cover, single axle trailer, extended swim platform. We'll go inside here. Does have a walk-through here. You take that cushion out so nobody's stepping on your seats. That battery there is for the trolley motor. Stereo. Does not have an hour meter. It's got a Mercruiser 4.3 TKS motor. Tilt steering. Lot of seating. That cover here. It's where the trolley motor goes. It does have a ladder in the front. It is rated for 10 people. We do offer financing. Snapping carpet. Come check this one out.